Hello guys, and welcome to a special video of the Stuffy family. My name is Mick Gamer, or Game Mouse, or Mickey Mouse. You can name me whatever you want. And I have my special pal, even though I hate him because he let Bigfoot slap me, Tweety Bird!
Hello, people!
So,
you forgot about me, I know.
So, today I will be playing Dancing Line. What's level, you may ask? The hip-hop evolution. So yeah, not to waste your time, let's start.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wait, not now.
What?
We need to make the sound higher. Okay, 3, 2, 1,
Start! Well, that looks like it's hard.
yes, it was kind of hard.
It's like you have to focus with the line. You can't focus on the outside, and it's so pretty outside.
I was switching up the volume so that you can, hear. So, yeah, that's it, guys. So, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
And if you do, you're gonna get a free cookie.
Okay.
That's my line. What can I say? It's my line.
Okay. Bye.